Miss Fatima and I heard that Jeffree Star was doing a winter mystery box. So she got her credit card and did some quick typing, and we have a mystery box from Jeffree Star. Now, one thing I think that Camel and I both may have, in our holiday spirit, thought that this was going to be more of a holiday box versus a winter box. So I think we may have set ourselves up for a little bit of disappointment regarding some of the shades we were going to get. In any case, let's see what we got. As usual, he sends his calling card. We did get a choice of bag. We went with the pink one. There was also a plain silver one. This has some fun shimmer and iridescence to it. I do like me some bling. This is giving me bling. And inside, this does open up, and I don't know if you can see it or not, but inside there is a small zippered compartment. So this, besides being fun and festive, is also a good-sized functional bag. We will say we are kind of getting sick and tired of getting lots of these individual eyeshadows. We have most of them already. So some of these are going to be some stocking stuffers or wind up in a giveaway. The shades we got, and we will scoot over so we can pop in a photo or two. The shades we got were Scene Queen, Freak Show, Owl Eyes, Star Creek. I think of that group, Star Creek is my favorite, but I think we already have that one several times over. And we got another group of them. Mohawk, Wyoming, Weirdo, and Grand Prismatic. And I think Grand Prismatic is my favorite from that bunch. I don't think we have this one. That is a nice shade. Yes, it is. And at least one thing to keep in mind is that each group of 4 only counts as one item. So for an 8-item bag, this is only one item. Oh, is that a mirror? Yes, we have a mirror. It is double-sided. One side is your average mirror. The other side is close up. And, well, I don't know how much of myself I can really see in there. It is kind of on the small side, although I will admit that having the close-up does help if I'm trying to, I guess, poke at something specific. But, We got a highlighting blush in Coral Conviction. This shade, I don't think I would use it as a blush. However, it might pan out as an eyeshadow. Oh, that's a thought. So this, not my favorite choice, but worth playing around with for a possible eyeshadow. This is an eye gloss in Christmas Tree Bling. I gotta admit, this one definitely caught my attention, and I think this is sort of what we had in mind, and I tried it today. That came out pretty good. Yeah, I mean, I just slapped this on my eyelids with a little primer underneath, and that came out pretty good. This, I think, is a top item for me out of this mystery box or mystery bag. Yeah, I might want to try it. I don't know, will it clash with my fur? This is a Supreme Gloss in the shade Top Shelf. Darker than what we normally use, darker than what we were hoping for. I was hoping for something light and holiday shimmer-like. So this is going to get passed on. This is another Supreme Gloss in the shade Dominate. Again, darker than what we were expecting and darker than what I would use. So again, this is going to get passed along. This one does have my attention. It is a liquid lip balm in the shade Unicorn Blood. Wow, that's a wild name. You get some wild names. This is darker, but there are some red undertones to it, and I'm always on the hunt. I like a good lip balm or a good lip oil, so I'm willing to give this one a try. I have taken a little sniff, and it has a mint scent. Oh, that's different. Yeah, so that kind of caught my attention and was sort of along the lines of what we thought we were getting a full box of. But with a mystery box, sometimes you just take what you get. On social media, Jeffree Star has been talking about the anniversary of his music career. So he included something regarding that. We have a CD of some of his songs. That was definitely something I was not expecting, and hey, a neat collector item. I'm not going to knock that. True, we can't knock that. So this is Beauty Killer. So like we said, we think we got a little mixed up, winter versus holiday. This was an $85 mystery bag. We had to pay taxes. The shipping was free. So we were all in for $91 and change. The value is stated to be $189. So we figured that makes each item $10 and change. It was worth it taking a peek. Is it my favorite that I've ever gotten from him? No, it's not. That's the way it goes sometimes. That is. And it was 8 full-size items, and 3 of those are unreleased. So I'm presuming it's the mirror, the CD, and the bag. Although the bag does not count as one of the 8 items. That's very nice. Yes. After we ordered, I thought, oh, is the bag one of the 8? It is not. What did you see that you liked? Comment down below. Did you get this one? Let me know. Inquiring holiday camels want to know. Oh, this is the winter bag, not the holiday bag. Like we said, I think we got a little over-holidayed. Hope you're checking out our playlist. We've got lots of fun stuff going on this month. And we hope to see you in another video. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, and all that fun stuff. Thanks for watching. I want to try that eyeshadow. We'll see what we can do. Okay.